Almost every time we post about a case related to dowry harassment, we get comments that lament the supposed misuse of the law by women. The concern is so strong that an NGO called Jan Shruti People's Voice filed a writ petition related to IPC Section 498A under Article 32 of the Indian Constitution. What was IPC Section 498A is Section 84 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. For context, Section 498A was introduced in 1983 to address cruelty by a husband or his relatives towards a married woman, particularly in the context of dowry-related abuse. The petitioner NGO argued that Section 498A and its current application often lead to misuse and harm innocent people. It sought judicial intervention to reform the provisions, make them more gender neutral, and declare Section 498A unconstitutional. The petitioner emphasized that the law could be misused by those with malicious intent to harass families and extort money. It requested a review of the law's impact on fundamental rights, particularly in cases of false allegations. However, a division bench of the Supreme Court of India declined to entertain the petition, stating that the provisions of Section 498A do not warrant judicial interference. The court emphasized that the law had a legitimate legislative purpose to protect married women from dowry-related violence and cruelty, which were prevalent social issues in India. While acknowledging that misuse of the law could occur, the bench emphasized that isolated instances of abuse were not sufficient to invalidate the provision. The court also highlighted that the provision was aimed at protecting a vulnerable section of society, in line with the principle of positive discrimination under Article 15 of the Constitution. The court further noted that concerns about misuse should be addressed on a case-by-case basis by the appropriate judicial fora. Ultimately, the court upheld the constitutional validity of Section 498A and dismissed the writ petition. We still want to read your comments, so go on and let us know your thoughts on this verdict. And for more informative videos like this one, subscribe to Factly.